Hi, in this session we are going to learn what is Azure Data Factory, its key features, components and benefits of using this ETL tool. Azure Data Factory is the cloud-based ETL and data integration service in Azure that allows you to create data-driven workflows for establishing data movement and transforming data at scale. It is used to orchestrate the data copying between different relational and non-relational data sources hosted in the cloud or on-premise and transforming it to meet the business requirements. Key functions of Azure Data Factory. Ingestion. Azure Data Factory has copy data tool to perform one-time or scheduled data load from 90 plus data sources. Orchestration. Azure Data Factory orchestrates the movement and transformation of data between various data stored and compute resources by creating and scheduling code-free pipelines. Transformation. Azure Data Factory transforms data using data flows or compute services like Azure HD Insight. Configure these packages. Azure Data Factory manages, migrate on-premises these packages to Azure and run them in the cloud. Azure Data Factory consists of a number of components that together allow you to build the data copy, ingestion, and transformation workflows. Some of the components are pipelines, activities, linked services, datasets, and triggers. You can create pipelines to execute one or more activities. If an activity moves or transforms data, define the input and output format in datasets. Then connect to the data sources or services through linked services. After you have created a pipeline, you can add triggers to automatically execute it at specific times or based on events. Let's see the benefits of Azure Data Factory. Code-free transformation. ADF has mapping data flows with a UI-based wizard for creating data transformation. Enterprise data ready. ADF comes with many built-in connectors that make it effortless to integrate and ingest data from familiar enterprise data sources. Run these packages. ADF can run these packages in an Azure SIS integration runtime. Run code on any Azure compute. ADF has many supported compute environments and activities that make task dispatch and execution easy within the data pipelines. Secure data integration. ADF gives managed virtual networks to simplify your networking and protect against data exfiltration. Thanks for watching.